Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, September 30, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Tuesday, September 30, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 30, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, September 30, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for September 30, 2025 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 30, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.